नहीं आप पिंक ले लो नाइस
ये भी निकाल
ये चलेगा
मतलब वो हाथ जाता है स्किन पे तो थोड़ा इरिटेशन तो लगता है.
I'll check if तुम आ रही हो या नहीं.
अब तो पूरा ही भी जा रहा है
हाँ सही है ना. दिस इज
ये सही है
हेलो रवलीन.
हेलो हाय नितेश
So why do you sketch? Tell us that. Why do you sketch?
why do I sketch
Yeah, let's start with that.
because like clicking pictures became boring at one time
Okay.
so and also since I discovered urban sketchers so yeah that led me to sketching quite frequently
Okay.
and then I also discovered some channels and some people who are doing hosting sketch meets online as well so that led me to use sketchbooks even a lot more
Right.
so
Cool. Let's start.
Yeah.
Let's begin with your sketchbook.
okay, so this is the first one that I'm gonna show. So I've put a date here as well. It's from October 2022 to April 2023 that it continued. So yeah, not an avid sketcher also, but I think multiple sketchbooks also go hand in hand. So this is one. So I'll just start. So this is one page where I got an idea from someone. I think I stole it from someone to have some fonts ready and stick it here so that you have it ready to go if you want to write something. So this is that.
What's that imperfect thing?
Oh, okay. So this is basically I started an online store. It was an art store. I named it Imperfect Art Store. So because I actually really advocate and I also believe that perfection is a myth and imperfection is something that is real. I feel so. I just named it Imperfect Art Store and where I used to like sell this kind of sketchbooks which open flat clay and also some brush rolls and my art prints so currently the store is kind of closed but yeah some people who know that I still have some stock they reach out to me personally and like so
Right.
that is Imperfect Art Store. Yeah, so this is something I got made specifically for myself.
That font is pretty cool. Oh,
This
very
one,
cool.
right? Yeah. So this is a stamp that I got made. So I just
it's a
stamped it.
stamp. Oh,
Haan.
insane.
It's a stamp. And okay, so this page also is a stolen idea. There's this artist from Netherlands called Kosha Kuna. Probably some sketchers might have heard about it. So this is a sketchbook lexicon wherein, like, I've just put circles of the colors that are there on my palette, and I've just provided the alphabets. And what I do is when I'm going through the sketchbook, like through my journey, whatever is going on in my life, I just add those words here. And when I go through that now, some words do remind me of, okay, what was I thinking when I wrote this? What was going on in my life that time? So this is just that.
You have this in the beginning of every sketchbook.
Not every sketchbook. So this was the first one, and the one which I am currently using, where I'll flip that as well. So I put it on that. So this was like 22, 23, and now it's 25. I have put it.
Okay.
So not all the sketchbooks, but this I found this a really cool idea. Okay, so I'll just start the flip throughs. This is the first one. This was actually, I remember, HAL market in Bangalore, vegetable market. So there was a very small, intimate sketch meet. That time when we had to put masks on. So yeah, so we were like four of us, and I had sketched this market scene. I was quite new to people sketching as well, and you can see the proportions are off, but that doesn't matter because I remember exactly the place where I was standing looking at this sketch. I can tell that okay, that was the place where I was standing. The shutter was closed behind me, and since it was a vegetable market, we were outside the market, and the hustle bustle was on, and people were quite excited to see our sketches in the end. They posed with our books and all. So
I think when you spoke about illustrated journalism yesterday,
yeah.
I think this is exactly what you mean. Because I use
Yes,
this and this is
yes,
so
yeah. I really like to add a few lines then and there itself, or make a note of, okay, what would I want this page to represent, and just make a small summary note for myself. So like just 1 or 2 lines. So this is that idea. Yeah. Okay, this was again a sketch meet in Pottery Town, Bangalore. So love the colors. I mean, I think burnt
Amazing
sienna,
colours
yeah, burnt sienna and ultramarine is one of my favorite combinations. So that place had all those colors. So yeah, this is what I captured there. Lots of pots, and this was in that same lane. A little ahead, there was, I think, a house, and outside that there were goats. I remember. I mean, this is not a finished piece or a very fine piece,
Right.
but I like this better than what I showed you the two, because I mean I was so excited to sketch goats for the first time. So
And it has come out well for the first
Yeah.
time. Usually animals are so difficult to sketch.
yeah, so I mean some do look like dogs here and there, but I really had fun sketching this page. So yeah, I
As
left
long
it.
as you remember those.
Yeah, right. True.
Oh,
So I love this spread so much. This is not an urban sketch, but this was, I just wanted to suddenly in the morning of Diwali, I wanted to capture what is going on in that day. So what I have sketched here is basically a small map from our, like where I used to stay then, and what path I took in the morning, what happened in my morning. So it's Diwali morning,
Yeah.
right? So this is my home, and then when you come out to this part and you take a right, yeah. So there's this Udupi restaurant here where I went, and I had this. You can see some nice idli and vada, and this is that building where that Udupi building. I sketched that, and I had the reason for me to come out was to buy some diyas and some flowers for a little decoration I wanted to do that Diwali. So that's what I think that's the summary that I would have written here. And this was the lady I got some strands of flowers, and this was not sketched on location. I took a picture of hers, and then I came back home, and I think I sketched first, and then I started with the Diwali preparations.
very
So
interesting how you put a heart. This is a heart inside the. home.
yes,
Very, very
yeah. And this is the destination.
I think
So
this is a great example of a journal entry, and I like how different elements come together, like the map,
Right.
and like the 4 sketches and the journal entry. and
Right,
the text.
right.
Everything comes together
Yeah.
really well.
Yeah.
And this flower looks so nice.
Yeah.
Like composition wise, it's
Yeah, yeah.
amazing.
Yeah. And I have used a dip pen here, so you can see some,
Right.
big dots here. So
Intentionally done.
it's not intentionally, it happened, and I let it be because
Yeah.
imperfection
Stories.
is the best. Yeah. So yeah, that's what this spread is about. And see these fonts, they came handy from here.
Nice.
So yeah, I can refer it back.
Right.
So yeah, I don't have to think much or touch my phone to search for fonts. Okay, so this is a train journey. I mean, the perspective is quite skewed, and like don't go with the space because इतना space तो होता नहीं है दो birds के बीच में. But yeah, so
VVIP.
only for my sketchbook. So yeah, this was the side berth, and these are all, I think, this is my sister, if I remember correctly. That's my dad. That's my mom. I think so, yeah. And that's me holding the sketchbook in hand. So yeah, that's what it is. This one. This was, I think, some online session where they were teaching about values. So this is something related to that. Okay, so now this was the time when there was a Sketchfest held in Pune. So this is the first sketch that we did there. So it was like a sketch walk, and every spot that was covered in that sketch walk we had like 10 minutes to capture. So these are like just very quick sketches of some temple which I don't remember. Achha, Ganpati temple. I don't remember. Didn't remember the name.
Don't
so yeah.
have to. You've
Yeah.
written it down.
Yeah. So this is also in Sardar Shitole Vada. So there are lots of vadas there in Pune. So it was the part of that same sketch walk. So it was quite nice, airy, and it was really good. Okay, so this is Shaniwar Vada. So
What is Vada actually?
okay,
Vada
good question.
Is,
Fort?
more like a haveli.
Haan,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
Home, haveli, something like that, I think. Yeah. So this was that.
This was a 10-minute job.
This was not a 10-minute job. This was like the last stop for that sketch walk. So यहाँ पे we spent some
This is
time.
a stamp of that.
Stamp
place.
of
Nice.
so this is a stamp of Pune Urban Sketches Pune, I think. See, it's written Sketchfest Pune. So I think they got it made specifically for that Sketchfest. Yeah, and like we got it stamped here. So yeah, this is that one. So this was a church. So if you know this artist Farah from Urban Sketches Pune, she was holding a workshop. So once her workshop was done, so we sketched the church as well. So this is that. This is some marketplace scene, I think. Quick one. We didn't have much time that time, so yeah, this is
So
that.
what kind of mediums you use? Like I saw you use watercolor.
Yes.
This is color pencil.
Yeah. So my go-to medium is mostly pen and watercolors, and I have added color pencils, crayons, and dip pens. Dip pens I don't carry outside a lot,
Mixing
but yeah.
as well.
Huh?
Mix and match as well.
Yeah, definitely mix and match, and you can see crayons here. So it's not much thought about, not planned. I've just used it. So these are most of the mediums that I use, I think, yes. And recently I made a gouache palette as well with just 3 primaries and black and white. So I've not used it a lot, but yeah, that's there. So
I think
yeah.
this is the Urban Sketches Pune.
Pune's
original.
ka stamp, yes. Okay, so this is also okay. Yeah, there was another on the second day, I think, of the Sketchfest. We went inside a 100-year-old building that was standing, and people are still living there. It was Zainab Tambawala, if you know. She's from Urban Sketches Mumbai. It was her like ancestral home.
Wow.
Yeah, so these are some sketches, like small snippets, how the windows were and those things. I've just captured and written some information that we got during the sketch walk that time. So this is, I think, the entrance to this house is via a shop. I think this was that house. Yeah, so I think so. Yeah, that was that. And this was also I was just trying to capture something quickly there. And here's where the sketch fest ended. So now this is from our Bangalore sketch meet at Chitra Sante. So Chitra Sante is so spectacular and so crowded. I did not feel like sketching a lot, but there was a sketch meet, so just ended up sketching 2 of my friends who were like looking at stuff, or I think they were also sketching something, so I just sketched them from behind. And yeah, this is also from that same day. Okay, this
Another
is
example of you using crayons.
crayons,
over the-
yeah, trying to include them for texture. So yeah, that's what I've done here. So this is NGMA, NGMA Bangalore,
yes,
outside.
the famous tree.
Yes, the big tree. And here, I think, yeah, I have mostly used the Sailor Fude pen, the Sailor pen with the food in it, and watercolors mostly, yes. And okay, I do this thing. This is also a stolen idea of, sticking tickets or, some bills in the sketchbook, so that you can safe keep them and it becomes a part of your sketchbook, right? So yeah, that is that one. So it's the same day, I think me, my husband and one of my friends, we had gone to NGMA and then we went to Church Street. So this is Milano ice cream there, and I just sketched it from outside. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll just put this.
We'll anyway edit the parts.
And this was also a sketch meet, I think, which is this place. Okay, Town Hall. We had a sketch meet at Bangalore Town Hall. So this is not Town Hall. This is some building opposite to that. So I sketched that one because Town Hall was quite close. So I was not able to, get the perspective or like how to frame that into my sketchbook. So I just sketched something that was farther away. So opposite Town Hall. That is this one. This was actually a sugar factory, I think. It was written My Sugar or something.
My sugar.
I
was
think
reading
so.
it as Mysore.
Huh, I also read it that way, but I think it was My Sugar.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, I did end up sketching the town hall as well. You can see like whatever I could, frame. So I've just chucked half of it and just added. So I do this as well. And this was like a white building. So sometimes what I do is I will not color the entire thing. I'll just focus on the greens. I really like including greens in my sketchbook, like the vegetation part. So this is something like that. Okay, so this is from a trip. We went to Vagamon, which is Idukki actually, and it's 25 kilometers ahead of Vagamon in Kerala. So this was a pine forest in Vagamon. I just wanted to capture the essence of that place, like the big pines. So this is that. And then we went to Vagamon Meadows, and this was like in a far, far meadow. There was a tiny house, so I just used my phone to zoom in and see, okay, the details of that house, and then I sketched on location itself. So this is that, to capture the essence of that place.
Oh,
And this is also Vagamon Meadows, where like we had this throw and we were sitting. So I just, drew this. I don't remember if this was done on location or from a photo reference. I think it was a photo reference. So yeah, this is that. This is my urban sketching bag. Yeah,
I like
always
how
with me.
your sketchbook spreads are telling. It's like even if you don't tell us,
Yeah.
it's telling us. Like let's say here you have seen Vagamon Meadows is almost 26 kilometers.
Yeah.
It's like it's telling us a story.
Yeah,
in itself,
right.
like-
Yeah. And I had left this space. I was intending to write something. Now I don't remember. So yeah, if something is left, तो वो रह जाता है. Definitely. It's very rare that I come back.
Yeah.
कुछ मतलब something has stuck a lot, then I come back. So yeah, that is there. This was our stay, the Airbnb where we stayed. So this cottage I sketched from outside. And here you can see I've used some crayons
right. Yeah.
as well, and mostly watercolors and pen.
Oh,
So this was also a view from our stay. So this side is the villa, and this side was like entire tea plantation. So this is that. It was really beautiful. Beautiful
What
colors of
color pencils do you use?
these. Okay, I have multiple brands. I have Caran d'Ache Luminance. I have some polychromos. Mostly these two. Yeah. So yeah, I use these. Okay, so this is my husband Ankit, and this is Abby Uncle, who was the host of that Airbnb, and he had some amazing stories that he told us. He also had a hat in which he had a porcupine's spine to it. Yeah, it was so fascinating. Yeah,
Like all.
just one,
Okay.
just one. So it was from his days.
real porcupine?
Yeah, real porcupine ka. Haan. I don't know. I think he was in Africa when he was working. So I think he, encountered something or something like that, and then he had that basically. So this is what I was talking about. Like I have left the some of the things uncolored, and I've sketched the background. So that also tells you about layers, right? You can do that as well. So yeah. This is that, and this was a church. So this was my last sheet, so I had to like make do, and this is
Yeah,
not
very
the
cool.
right proportion, definitely. So, but yeah, this was a church in Idukki itself. It was really pretty. So I sketched this, and that's about it. This one.